In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Stremio on your Xiaomi TV. So let's get started. Now, Xiaomi TVs run Android TV or Google TV, so installing Stremio is very simple, either from the Play Store or using an APK. So the method one is quite straightforward. You have to first of all on your Xiaomi TV, open the Google Play Store, search for Stremio. If it appears, install and done, and you're ready to go. However, if it does not appear, then we're gonna use the second method, okay? Now, the second method is that first of all, you'll have to download this particular app from the Play Store. So you open Google Play Store and search downloader by AFTV News, okay? So that's the name of the app. Then go ahead and install. The step 2 is that you have to allow APK installation. So for this, you have to go to settings, apps, security and restrictions, and then you have to enable unknown sources, okay? I'll just copy the path and show you. So this is what the path is. This is the path: settings, apps, security and restrictions, and then you have to enable unknown sources. Now obviously it could slightly vary depending on the model you're using, okay? Now you'll have to download Stremio Android TV APK, okay? So you'll have to open downloader. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Now as you see, you have this URL placed right here. Now here you'll have to copy this link, stremio.com/downloads, okay? So you just have to go copy it and paste it right there, and then you'll have to select the Android TV version, download and install, and like that you have installed Stremio. Now the method 3 is install via USB. Now you can download the Stremio APK on your phone or laptop, then copy it to a USB, plug the USB into your Xiaomi TV, and you can use the file manager to install, okay? So we have gone over 3 methods, and the first one is obviously just straight up Google Play Store. Then you could use the downloader app, and lastly the USB. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.